Hi folks, this is a follow-up to my previous set of videos. In these short stories, I'll show what wasn't included there. This one shows that your equipment is always in danger. It's truly a philosophical question whether your camera is still filming you when you are not looking at it. As always, it was set up on my tripod and I walked quite away from it when I heard the approaching car. Am I going to film anything with it again? I rushed back to save my camera from the distraction under the wheels of the car that seemed imminent. I was lucky the driver saw me, so I'll continue making my videos.